Have you seen all the new houses that are being built on Scenic Highway in Lake Wells, Florida? Well, come take a tour to find out. Hello, my name is Luis Mendez with eXp Realty here in Lake Wells, Florida. Please subscribe to my channel so I can show you more things that's coming to town. In this video, we're going to be touring 4 houses. This specific house is called the Olive. And the Olive is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house with 1,440 square feet. As you can tell, it's still in the construction stage. When we got here, it smelled just like fresh paint. So as you can see, this one is close to being ready. The very next house we're looking at is called the Amethyst. The Amethyst is also a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house, but this one sits at 1,460 square feet. This one's a little bit more complete. It still needs carpeting, and there's a few things that is needed, but as you can see, they all have these 42-inch cabinets with the slow close. These homes definitely have that luxury type of look. Even though it's not as large, what's nice about these homes come with the appliances. Everything that you see in the house is what you're getting, all upgraded. These new constructions all come with different incentives. A lot of them have been changing week after week, so I don't want to mention what's available exactly. Like, I know in the past there has been closing costs covered, points being paid down. So if you're looking to know what is available at the moment, make sure you send me a text, give me a call at 407-790-6232. That way we could see what's available, what to look out for. Now, it is kind of hard to really appreciate these houses when you're looking at a home that doesn't have carpet, is not staged. But these homes are very nice, and shortly we're going to walk into a new home construction with them that is fully furnished. Now, this one that we're walking into is the Ruby. This is one of my favorite. The last one we're going to look at is ultimately my favorite with Richmond Americans in this neighborhood. But this Ruby is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath house at 1,910 square feet. This is a large home, but as you can see, it's very spacious. They all have the high ceilings, but it pretty much has everything what the other houses have. Now, of course, some things inside of the model homes are going to be a little bit upgraded, a little bit more upgraded, like that screened-in lanai. Usually, if it comes with the lanai, it won't be screened in, so that's just an additive. But what you're seeing with the home, that's what they're coming with, so that's a benefit. And what I like about Richmond American Home compared to other homes is their closets are humongous. I always joke around saying these closets, you could literally turn them into a little nursery. But this Ruby has the 3 of the bedrooms in the front side of the house and the master in the back. This, of course, is a model bathroom where the toilet's at. That's where the sink the shower would be. So don't judge the house based off of that, but just showing you the spacious size of that bathroom. And here we're walking into what I truly like. It is a little bit smaller than the Ruby at 1,700 square feet, but this one is the Azure. And this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. And for being just a little bit smaller, I feel like this plan actually flows a lot smoother. And you also got to give it up to the design team. I mean, once they design a house, it really sucks you into wanting this house. I really like that this one has that little study area. That's pretty neat. But like the other house, the bedrooms are in the front of the house, and then you have the master that is towards the back, and then you have the open floor concept of the kitchen flowing into the dining room and to the living room. Now, what I like about this model is how this kitchen and the dining room and the living room, they're all in their own little cubbies in a sense, but they're still connected. So you could have your own space, yet feel included all together. And that's what I love about it. And here, if you remember the Amethyst, this one is almost the same kitchen, but it's fully completed. So you can have more of an idea of what it would look like when it becomes your home. And welcome to the master bedroom. Your own private oasis away from the kids' rooms. And here is the large master bathroom. What I love about it is another walk-in shower. Everyone's getting away from the tubs, but as you can see, one of their signatures is the large closets that they offer. I said this one is in Lake Wells, but we have another one in Hilltop, which is in Haines City, and a brand new community opening up in Lake Hamilton, which they're all within about 10-15 minutes away from this specific location. So if you want something closer to Orlando, closer to Disney, let me know. And that community has a pool. Thank you for watching. My name is Luis Mendez. Please subscribe to my channel to find out more of what's to come near you.